What's going on, YouTube? It's your guy Rogers1906. I'm so happy to be with you guys today. Guess what? I dropped two indicators. Heinz Strip told me I need to put them back on again, so we have to go back and redo it, add a disclaimer, but guess what? They are available to you guys today. So let's take a look at them real quick. But before I go any further, go ahead, do me a favor, follow, subscribe, hit that like button, show some love to my YouTube channel. If you want to see more videos like this, we've got to keep the energy going. So make sure you smash that like button for me right now. So the first indicator I want to drop on you guys today is called the Checkmate Multi-Timeframe Trend Analysis by Rogers1906. So this thing is a bang for your buck, one stop shop overlay here. Let's take a deeper dive. All right, so as we look at this right now, you can see that we have multiple things going on looking at your chart. So just looking at it, breaking it down for you guys, the purple line displays a 7 exponential moving average, where the blue line here is actually displaying a predictive range, if you will. So it's telling you in the direction of which the candles are going. So what I'll be looking for, of course, all of those candles above that second line, the blue line is what you're seeing right now for the actual momentum. So this is not using like a MACD, if you will. It's only using one exponential moving average, and that is your 7 EMA. Also at the top, the red that you see, those are your resistance levels, and the green that you currently see are the support levels. Now, this indicator is coded to actually tell you buy and sell signals. Now, of course, if you can read in the description here, you'll see more definitions of how things work. For example, when we go to the settings, color 0 would be your change of momentum. Color 1 would be your bearish reversal. Color 2 would be your bullish reversal. Color 3 would be your bullish confirmation candle, and color 4 will be your bearish confirmation candle. Now, I tried to make this thing as simple as I could. Now, just to break it down for you, let's just go take a look at my chart right now. These are the indicators that I have that I like to use, but we're only going to focus on the first one here that we just broke down, and I'm just going to show you the settings, right? All right, so currently I'm using the supply zone. I made my lines thick. Demand zone, also made my lines thick on that, kept that red and green. There are color 0 all the way to color 4, as I previously mentioned. Now, my machine learning, the predictive line that I was talking about, I decided to get rid of that blue line, make it white, and also go with crosses. I wanted the second thickness on it so it could stand out. I know what's what, and I'm basically looking for the candles to be above this for calls, below it for puts. It just gives me consistency as to what I need to do. Now, I coded a slingshot system that tells you the buy and sell signals, so I changed those from just the diamonds or the labels, right, to actual arrows. So that's one thing that I did. I also changed my my arrows to yellow, right? My slingshot sell to sell yellow, and my buy white, so I can distinguish them between the two. Now, I may decide to change these colors later on. You could do what works for you. And just to be consistent, I kept my 7 EMA baby blue, right? It just works wonderfully for me. All right, now this is just one indicator. Now, how does it work? All right, so that's the biggest question in the room. So let's go to, let's say, a 3-minute chart so you can see it live and in motion here. So you can see, like right now, we're looking at Bitcoin. Our candles that are orange with the red box around them, those are guaranteed downtrends based on my settings, right? Gray means, okay, the price is getting ready to change. This candle is a change of character, if you will. Okay, now, even if we see red around it, we can't get too excited about the gray. All right, now, here's the cool part. Once we start seeing that blue come in, right, that tealish color with the green around it, we are bullish, baby. That means we are moving to the upside. And of course, we want to see those candles above that 7 EMA and above our white crosses here. Now, once we touch this, in this case, $68,976.44, we have broken resistance at that point, okay? So we want to see it break that line, and it will always adjust, right? Because, you know, as we've always taught, support, resistance always becomes support when it's broken. There we go. So just remember that as you are using this indicator. But guess what? I am not done yet. I'm not done yet. We're still cooking. You got to let me cook, baby. Also created another one called Chessboard Support and Resistance. So if you go to TradingView, you type Rogers 1906 in, it's going to bring all these up for you, and you can click it just like that and get to it. Okay, so quite simple. I'm going to turn the lights on this one here. Chessboard Support and Resistance. My settings are simple. I didn't really modify the inputs. I kept the zone thickness as is, everything as is other than the colors, right? I put purple as my resistance, blue as my support, and I just kind of brought it down a little bit, right? Because I like to see support and resistance. It kind of helps me have a second form of confirmation with this particular overlay for the breakout. So with our current setup, that I created with the Checkmate multi-time frame trend analysis, I just want to see that first line of resistance broken to get us closer to the actual true resistance of the indicator. It is double confirmation on confirmation with this tool, right? Now, of course, there are other indicators that you can use, and I must give a disclaimer, nothing is 100%, but I'll tell you, I've been watching this thing and back testing it all weekend. Even on multiple time frames, I'm able to predict what is getting ready to happen. So if you ever wondered, how do we have a crystal ball? Well, this is the indicator for you. So I hope this is helpful. Make sure you leave something in the comments. I love to hear your feedback. And remember to always keep God first and secure the bag. I'll see you guys weekdays, Monday through Friday, early in the morning. Make sure you hit that like button. Peace. Thank you for watching. Go on over to www.rogers1906.com. That's ROGERS1906.com. Check out some of my classes. Use discount code WealthGap today, or fill out the contact form requesting a discount. I'll hook you up. Also, you can go back to that website and join the Chess Not Checkers group in the upper right-hand corner. Look forward to seeing you. Remember, it's chess, not checkers.